Hi, my name is Alan. I'm with ATMGurus.com. Today we're going to talk about installing your EMV kit in your RL5000 X2 platform ATM. Let's look at the parts for that ATM. The RL5000 X2 EMV upgrade kit includes the following: a Sankyo ICM330 EMV card reader, a serial card reader cable for your X2, a card reader cable for your X scale, 4 screws, a mounting bracket for your grounds with a screw, and your credit card license. The tools needed are a number 1 and number 2 Phillips screwdriver and an ESD wrist strap. The next step for your EMV upgrade kit is to install software. All software for your ATM models can be found at www.tritonatm.com. Once you've downloaded the software from our website onto your thumb drive, plug the thumb drive into one of the available USB ports. Log into Management Functions, select System Parameters, select Software Update, select number 1, Look In. USB should pop up. Number 2, your file type should be populated. Select your file. Enter. Your ATM will reboot and automatically load the file. Disconnect your card reader cable. Install the new L bracket for your grounds. Remove the 4 screws holding your existing card reader in place. Install your new EMV card reader. Make sure the letters that say Triton are facing up. Using the 4 screws provided, secure the card reader in place. Once secure, connect your grounds to the new L bracket and tighten the screw in place. Connect your new serial card reader harness. It may be necessary to fold this harness in half to secure it underneath the restraints. Log into Management Functions with your master password. Navigate to Main Menu, select Terminal Configuration, More Options, EMV Configuration, and enable EMV processing by selecting number 1. Number 2 are your application settings. Enable all applicable aids. 3, 4, and 5 are dictated by your processor. Number 6, EMV journal entries. Select if desired. Thanks for watching today. If you run into any problems, remember you can always call us at Triton Tech Support.